Export Isuzu truck-mounted cranes, bulk shipments available, crane tonnage, and brand air selectable. I am Chen Yuan from a Chinese special-purpose truck manufacturer. With over 10 years of export experience, our products are sold to numerous regions worldwide, including Guinea-Bissau, Cape Verde, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Burkina Faso, Nigeria, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Chad, Sudan, and South Sudan. We supply trucks to Eritrea, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Somalia, Burundi, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, Sotom and Principe, Comoros, Laos, Cambodia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, Oman, Yemen, Turkey, Israel, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Venezuela, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, Costa Rica, Panama, Dominican Republic, and Haiti. We offer customizable gasoline, electric, hybrid, hydrogen, and natural gas trucks compatible with light, medium, and heavy-duty trucks in mainstream brand chassis. We support lift hand drive, multi-wheel drive, and Euro to Euro 6 emission standards, subject to local policies. We primarily manufacture tons of special-purpose vehicles, including dump trucks, refrigerated trucks, tow trucks, aerial work platforms, sanitation vehicles, and engineering vehicles. Factory direct supply ensures high-cost performance. We provide customization services,